You're hunting through the service information for a vehicle and you're looking for a PCV valve and you're not finding it. But what you may find is this component, and we're going to find out next what it is.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Okay, you're on your computer. You're looking for the PCV valve on a certain vehicle and you're not finding it. It could be an Audi, Mercedes, or even a Volkswagen. So where is it and what is it? Well, it's not a PCV valve anymore. What they're calling it now is an oil separator. And what it does, it takes the crankcase vapors and removes the tiny oil droplets that are inside and puts them back into the crankcase and lets those vapors then move on to the intake manifold to where they are burned. These are very sophisticated devices. No longer is it just a spring with a weight inside. These are actually very sophisticated in the way that they're a controlled leak and they allow vapors to come in at certain times and closes the systems under certain loads of the engine. So look for an oil separator when you're looking for a PCV valve on certain vehicles. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.